What is up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cassandra. I'm a certified personal trainer and a nutritionist. Today, I'm going to be taking you through a killer lower body workout. After this workout, I promise you're going to be feeling so sore. Throughout this video, I will be doing a mic'd up session, so that way I can walk you guys through step by step, so that way you can work on your form and also get the most out of this training. I will also display the sets and the reps on the screen for you, so that way you can just visually see them and follow along as we go through the workout. We're gonna be starting off with a little bit of a warm up. I'm gonna do 15 minutes of incline treadmill at 2.5 speed. Next, we're heading into some glute activation. We're gonna spend about 10 minutes warming up our glutes. The trick is to just simply warm them up and not completely destroy them before the workout. We're gonna do some lateral band walks, some banded squats, and then also some kickbacks. My glutes are already on fire. We'll go ahead and just do 2 rounds of that. And then once you're complete, we're gonna start off with some barbell hip thrusts. We're gonna do 5 sets of 10 reps. Alright, so for these last 2 sets, I stripped off a plate and I'm really going to be focusing on just burning out my glutes. So for these next 2 exercises, we're going to be using the Smith machine. We're going to be starting off with some Smith machine pull squats. We're going to drop down, come up halfway, drop all the way down, and then come up for 1 rep. My quads, glutes, and hammies are burning up right now. We're gonna take a minute rest and then we'll head into the next set. So for this next exercise, we're gonna need our ankle straps. We're gonna be doing some 45-degree kickbacks. If you're trying to build your upper glute, this is my most favorite exercise for that. So instead of kicking straight back like this, we're gonna go ahead and just turn our body slightly outward at a 45-degree angle. And then begin kicking your foot back at a 45-degree angle.
Really squeeze that glute at the top and also avoid arching your lower back. All right, switch sides. Same thing, go ahead and turn your body. And then start kicking back at a 45-degree angle. Next up, we have some Bulgarian split squats. This is how to perfect your form every single time. So go ahead and place your foot out in front of you, and then slowly lift off the bench and place that back foot behind you. Drop down into position and then pick up your weight. You want to lean your torso more forward for glutes, more upright for quads. Stance RDLs. We're going to use a kettlebell for this, but you can also use a dumbbell. Go ahead and stagger your feet. All of your weight should be pushing through that front heel. Really focus on driving those hips back.
And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and if you want to save it for your next training session, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to stick around for more future workout videos like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one.